So we're going to go over surface area of prisms. And when it comes to surface area of prisms, we have some information here that talks about lateral area as well as surface area. We're not too concerned about the lateral area because that just has to do with our area of just of only certain parts of the shape. What we really want to focus on is this formula down here and kind of where the lateral area comes from. So we're actually going to rewrite this to be the perimeter times the height plus 2 times the base. Now notice that base is again capital B, so we're going to talk about the base area of whatever the shape is that we have. For a right prism, your base shape could be a rectangle, a square, a trapezoid, a triangle, anything like that. So you need to take those area formulas into account. So we'll take a look at a problem. Right? Here we have a right triangular prism, and we're going to find the surface area. So now the surface area is what's going to happen if I handed you this object and I said, okay, you're going to paint just the outside of this object. We're not filling it. We're just painting the outside. So we have to take into account the triangle at both ends. Okay? So we need the area of those. That's our base shape. As well as all of the rectangles that are connecting those two triangles. That's where the height's going to come in. So now, if our surface area is perimeter times height times 2 times the base, we can figure out our base shape pretty quickly because it's going to be 1/2 base times height since it's a triangle. So we're going to take 1/2 times 6 times 8, which gives us 24 inches squared. That's going to go in for B, but we still need one more thing. We need the perimeter of this triangle. In order to find the perimeter of this triangle, we have to use Pythagorean theorem. So we're going to take 6 squared plus 8 squared and set it equal to the hypotenuse, or x. So we have 36 plus 64 equals x squared. 100 equals x squared, so x equals 10. So this is 10, so we can take 6 plus 8 plus 10, and we're going to get 24. Right? That's going to be P. This guy here is going to be H. And then this one is going to be B. And all we're doing is plugging it in. Right? So, surface area equals 24 times 20 plus 2 times 24. So our surface area is going to be 480 plus 48. All right? So when we take 480 and we add it to 48, that's going to give us our surface area. So 480 plus 48 is going to be 528. Now, since we're talking about area, it's just inches squared. There's our surface area for this shape.